Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Court orders life imprisonment for killers of Mandar. Compensation of 1 lakh rupees to family of deceased. Court sentences triple life imprisonment. Pramod Mutalik coming to Goa on Wednesday evening will address Hindu Adhiveshan on Thursday. Kopel, fruits, music, dance. It's Viva Sanjaon. Sanjaon celebrated across the state with great pomp. MOEF decides to reconstitute National Board for Wildlife, pending matters to be disposed of expeditiously thereafter. And Brazil set to clash with Chile. Netherlands sealed date with Mexico in FIFA World Cup pre-quarterfinals. Former champion Spain avoid bottom finish with consolation victory over Australia. Now the news in detail. Children Court has ordered lifetime imprisonment on 3 counts for the 4 accused in the Mandar Sulakar kidnap and murder case. The court has also ordered 1 lakh rupees compensation to the family of deceased. Out of total 5 accused, 1 has been relieved as he turned approver. Mandar's dead body was found in the terrains of Keri at Ponda on 15th August 2006. Mandar's father had demanded capital punishment for the accused.
In August 2006, Mandar Surlakar's friends had abducted and murdered him and threw his corpse in the terrains of Keri in Ponda Taluka. This incident had shocked the Goans in 2006. Now Children's Court has delivered its verdict in this case after 8 years. Court has ordered lifetime imprisonment for Jovito Ryan, Rohan Dhungat, Nafia Sheikh and Shankar Tiwari on 3 counts, that is, hatching conspiracy for kidnapping and murder, kidnapping for ransom and murder. Court has also ordered compensation for Mandar's family.
I would say that justice is delivered. I am grateful to the justice system.
On 15th August 2006, Jovito Ryan, Rohan Dhungat, Nafia Sheikh, Shankar Tiwari and Saleha Beg hatched a plot to kidnap Mandar for a hefty ransom. They kidnapped Mandar and demanded a ransom of 50 lakhs from his father. But later they killed Mandar. Mandar Sulakar's father had demanded capital punishment for all the accused, but after the verdict he said that he has no claims. Al Saleha Beg has been relieved from the case as he turned an approver. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Pramod Mutalik will be attending Hindu convention at Ramnati. Sources in Hindu Jan Jagruti Samiti have confirmed that Mutalik is reaching Goa by Wednesday night. Mutalik will address the convention on Thursday. Mutalik had recently expressed his plans to open a branch of Sri Ram Sene in Goa by August. There is strong resentment over Mutalik's visit to Goa.
Finally, Prudent gets confirmation on Mutalik's Goa entry. Sri Ram Sene chief Pramod Mutalik will be coming to Goa on Wednesday evening to attend the mega Hindu convention at Ramnati Ponda. Thereafter, he will address the Hindu convention on Thursday morning. Sources from Hindu Jana Jagruti Samiti have confirmed to Prudent about Mutalik's attendance for Hindu convention at Ramnati. Pramod Mutalik had earlier expressed his intentions of opening a branch of Sri Ram Sene in Goa. Report says he has plans to open it by August. At present, Mutalik is facing strong opposition from noted Goans. Pramod Mutalik is always in news and most of the time for wrong reasons, for his hate speeches. Pramod Mutalik's Ram Sene had contemplated entry in Goa in 2010. At that time, the then Home Minister Ravi Naik had banned Mutalik from entering Goa for 6 months. Now again the demand to ban Mutalik in Goa is getting echoed. Noted Goans from different walks of life are of one opinion: ban Mutalik and save Goa from his violent ideologies and hate speeches. Mutalik has again expressed his desire to open a branch in Goa by August. He is visiting Goa on Wednesday and Thursday late evening. Now all eyes are set on what Mutalik speaks in his address during Hindu convention on Thursday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Kopel, fruits, delicacies, music, dance, rain. It's Viva Sanjaon. Sanjaon was celebrated across the state with great pomp. It is believed that this feast is of the newly wedded sons-in-law who come to their wives' native place and have a feast. Here goes the celebration.
Sanjaon, o संसार गाजोता मात्या कोपेला घालून बाय तुडक्यो मारता इल्ले कोपाचे शिकून जिवा कुर्बा हाडटा पोणो सांबे ओणसा वाटून तोंड गोड कोत्ता सांजाव सांजुआव एकवट वाडोयता नवी काजाऱ्यां फेस्ते मानोयता खाटीर न्हिदलोल्यां उमेदीन उडोयता नाचोंक नकोय पूण संसार दोलोयता सांजाव सांजुआव एकवट वाडोयता नवी काजाऱ्यां फेस्ते मानोयता खाटीर न्हिदलोल्यां उमेदीन उडोयता नाचोंक नकोय पूण संसार दोलोयता संसाराक गासता गोंयकार म्हूण फेस्तांकार कसली फोमसांवां सोबोना वर्रात गोंयकार सांजाव केन्ना येतलो आमकां लागोन आतार आयतो दीस उमेदीचो चल बाय तुडक्यो मार सांजाव सांजुआव एकवट वाडोयता नवी काजाऱ्यां फेस्ते मानोयता खाटीर न्हिदलोल्यां उमेदीन उडोयता नाचोंक नकोय पूण संसार दोलोयता सांजाव सांजुआव एकवट वाडोयता नवी काजाऱ्यां फेस्ते मानोयता खाटीर न्हिदलोल्यां उमेदीन उडोयता नाचोंक नकोय पूण संसार दोलोयता
Ministry of Environment and Forests have decided to reconstitute National Board for Wildlife. The ministry has decided to dispose of pending matters expeditiously after reconstitution of the board. The meeting of MOEF was held on Tuesday. Minister Prakash Javadekar informed about this development to the officials. This decision is important for Goa as many of the mines in Goa do not have the Wildlife Board clearance. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.